sails and raise the anchor.
Scraping barnacles, Captain.
Hoisting sails, sir. Anchors away, mon capitan.
Ah, it sure is nice to be back to me old captainly self again.
Welcome aboard the Jolly Roger Mateys, a pirate paradise upon the sea, where the anchor chain is rusty and the pumps are old and dusty, where your socks are always soggy,